Dear students, welcome to Khan Academy Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 4, simple equation. Now exercise 4.4. In this exercise, we will make the equations on given problem and we will solve the equations. Question number 2. Solve the following. First is, the teacher tells the class that highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. The highest is 87. Then what is the lowest score? First of all, what is the lowest score? We will find the lowest score. Let's assume the lowest score is x and we will find the value of x. Now, as given in question, our equation is, now the question says that highest marks is twice the lowest is x, twice means 2 times, 2x plus 7. Highest marks is equal to twice lowest, 2x plus 7 and highest score is 87. Highest marks is 87. Now these are both are same, so these both equations are same. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. Here is plus 7, so we will take minus 7. Subtracting 7 in both sides. The equation is 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. Now minus 7 in both sides. Minus 7, 7 and 7 will be cut. 2x is equal to 80. Here is multiplied by 2, so we will divide by 2. Dividing the equation by 2. The equation is 2x is equal to 80. Now we will divide by 2. 2 and 2 cancel. X is equal to 40. Lowest score is 40. So lowest score is 40. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is question number 2, part B. In a isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. What is the definition of isosceles triangle? In a isosceles triangle, there are two sides are equal. In the isosceles triangle, there are two sides are equal and respective two angles are also equal. The base angles are equal. Here are the two base angles. This is called baseline, and these are the base angles. These base angles are equal. The vertex angle, this is our vertex angle. Vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angle of triangle? First of all, let assume the base angle is x degree. So these are the x and x degree. These are the equal base angle. Now we know that sum of three angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. The sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. In this diagram, x plus x plus x plus 40, these are the sum of three angles which is equal to 180 degree. So 2x, x plus x are 2x, 2x plus 40 is equal to 180. We will subtract 40. Subtracting 40 in both sides. The equation is 2x plus 40 is equal to 180. Now we will subtract 40 in both sides. There 40 and 40 is cancelled. 2x is equal to 180 minus 40, 140. Now here is multiplied by 2, so we will divide. Dividing the equation by 2. The equation is 2x plus 2x is equal to 140. Now we will divide by 2. Now we will divide by 2. 2 and 2 is cancelled. X 70. The x is 70. What is the x? X is base angle. So the base angle is 70 degree. This is our answer. Let's take beginning from this question. In a isosceles triangle, what is the property of isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangle having two equal sides and two equal angle. The base angles are equal. So here are the base angle which is equal. The vertex angle is 40. The vertex is 40. What is the base angle? Let assume base angle is x. So these are the equal base angle. So x and x. Let assume the base angle is x. We know that sum of three angles of triangle is 180. There are the three angles. Now we will take sum. X plus 40. X plus x plus 40 equal to 180. X plus x, 2x plus 40 is equal to 180. Now here is plus 40, so we will take minus 40. Subtracting 40 in both sides. Minus 40 minus 40. 40 and 40 cancel. 2x. 180 minus 40, 140. Here is multiply by 2, so we will divide by 2. Dividing the equation by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Here 2 and 2 cancel. X, this is 70. X is equal to 70. What is x? X is the base angle. So the base angle is 70 degree. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is part C. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Sachin scored 2 times of Rahul. Together their runs, together means sum of them. Together their runs fell short, too short of a double century. Double century means 200. 200. Too short, true minus 200 minus 2. Together their runs are too shorter from double century. How many runs each one scored? Let take Sachin score 2 times Rahul. So let assume the runs of Rahul. Let assume runs made by Rahul is x. Runs made by Sachin is twice Rahul. 2 times Rahul means 2x. Runs made by Rahul is x. Runs made by Sachin is 2x. As given in question, over equation is together means joint of them, sum of them, x plus 2x is equal to 2 short from double century. Double century is 200, this is 2 short, 200 minus 2, x plus 2x 1 time and 2 time, total are 3 time, 3x 198. Here is multiply by 3, so we will divide by 3. Dividing the equation by 3. The equation is 3x is equal to 198. Now we will divide by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. X is equal to 6 and 6. X is equal to 66. What is the x? X is runs made by Rahul. So runs made by Rahul is x. X is 66. Runs made by Sachin is 2x. 2 into 66, 132 runs. Let's take beginning from this question. Sachin scored twice means 2 time runs of Rahul. Let assume runs made by Rahul is x. Sachin make 2 time Rahul means 2x. Together means sum of them. Their runs feel 2 shorter from double century. Double century means 200. 2 short means minus 2. 200 minus 2. Together their runs are 200 minus 2. Together runs x plus 2x. X plus 2x is equal to 200 minus 2. 1 time x, 2 time x. Total are 3 time x. This is 198. Here is multiply by 3. So we will divide by 3. X is 66. What is the x? X is run made by Rahul. Runs made by Rahul is x is equal to 66. Runs made by Sachin is 2x. 2 into 66, 132. This is our answer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 3. Solve the following. First part. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marble Parmeet has. Irfan has 37 marbles. How many marbles does Parmeet have? How many marbles does Parmeet have? Let us assume Parmeet have x marbles. Let assume Parmeet having x marbles. Now Irfan says that he has 7 marble more than means plus 5 time marble Parmeet. Parmeet x. 5 time means multiply. 5 multiply x more than plus then 7. As given in question, our equation is, here are 5 time Parmeet means 5x more than 7 plus 7. Irfan has 37. Total are 37. The total are 37 marble. Now here is plus 7. Subtracting 7 in both sides. 5x plus 7 is equal to 37. Now we will subtract 7. 7 and 7 cancel. 5x, 37 minus 7. 30. Here is multiply by 5, so we will divide by 5. dividing the equation by 5. The equation is 5x is equal to 30. Now we will divide by 5. 5 and 5 cancel. X is equal to 6. Permit having 6 marble. So Permit having 6 marbles. This is our answer. Let's take beginning from this question. Irfan says that he has 7 marble more. More means plus 7, plus 7. Then 5 times the marble Permit has. Permit having, let assume Permit having x marble. So this is 5x. Irfan having 7 more than 5x. 7 plus 5x. This is our equation. Irfan has 37 marble. Irfan have 5x plus 7. Irfan have 37. So both are equal. So Irfan having 5x plus 7 and 37 marble. Both are equal. Now here is plus 7. So we will take minus 7. Subtracting 7 in both sides. 5x. This is 30. Now here is multiply by 5. So we will divide by 5. X is equal to 6. X is Permit marble. So Permit having 6 marble. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is question number 3rd, part 2nd. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older. 4 years older means plus 4. Plus 4. Then 3 times 3 multiply Lakshmi age. What is the Lakshmi age? Let assume Lakshmi age is x. Let assume Lakshmi's age is x years. Lakshmi's father age equal to 49. This is given. Then next, the age is also given in our equation. Lakshmi's father age equal to, he is 4 years older means plus 4. Then 3 times of Lakshmi age. Lakshmi age is x. 3 multiply x. 3x. Father's age. Both are equal. So 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. First of all, we will remove plus 4. So we will take minus 4. Subtracting 4 in both sides. 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. We will subtract 4. 4 and 4 cancel. 3x is equal to 45. Now here is multiply by 3, so we will divide by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. 3x is equal to 45. Now dividing by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. X is equal to 15. The x is 15. What is the x? Lakshmi's age. So Lakshmi's age is 15 years. This is our answer. Let's take beginning from this question. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older. Older means greater. Greater will use plus 4. His age is plus 4. Father's age is plus 4. Then 3 times of Lakshmi age. Lakshmi age is x. So 3 into x plus 4. 3 into x plus 4. This is father's age. The father's age is 49. both father's age is equal, so 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. Here is plus 4, so we will take minus 4 in both sides. Here is multiply by 3, so we will divide by 3. X is equal to 15 is our answer. What is X? X is Lakshmi's age. So Lakshmi's age is 15 years. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our part third is people of Sundargram planted tree in village garden. Some of trees were fruit tree. The number of non-fruit tree were 2 more. 2 more means plus 2. Then 3 times of the number of fruit tree. 3 times means 3 multiply number of fruit tree. We will take X. What was the number of fruit tree planted if the number of non-fruit tree was 77? First of all, what was the number of fruit tree? Let's assume the number of fruit trees is X. First of all, what was the number of fruit tree? The number of fruit tree is X. The number of non-fruit trees is, the number of non-fruit tree was 77, but the number of non-fruit tree is given. People of Sundargram planted tree in village. Some of the tree were fruit tree. The number of non-fruit tree. The number of non-fruit tree were 2 more plus 2. 2 more means plus 2. 3 times 3 multiply fruit tree are X, so 3 times X, 3x plus 2. 2 more plus 2, 3 times 3 multiply fruit tree X. These both are same, so 3x plus 2 is equal to 77. Here is plus 2, so we will take minus 2. Subtracting 2 in both sides. The equation is 3x plus 2, here is 77. Now subtract 2 in both sides. 2 and 2 cancel, 3x is equal to 75. Now here is multiply by 3, so we will dividing the equation by 3. 3x is equal to 75. This is our equation. Now we will divide by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. X is equal to, when we dividing by 3, 2 times, then 5 times, 25. X is 25. What is the X? Number of fruit trees. So number of fruit trees is 25. So these are the 25 trees of fruit trees. Let's take beginning from this question. People of Sundargram planted tree in the village garden. Some of trees were fruit trees. Let's assume fruit tree are X. The number of non-fruit tree. The number of non-fruit tree were 2 more plus 2. Then 3 times 3 multiply X, number of fruit tree. 2 more means plus 2. 3 times multiply by 3, number of fruit tree X. 3x plus 2. 3x plus 2, this is non-fruit tree. What was the number of fruit tree? Fruit trees are X. Number of non-fruit tree are 77. Number of non-fruit tree are 77. The both are non-fruit tree, so both are equal. Both are equal. Here is plus 2, so we will take minus 2. Here is multiply by 3, so we will take divide by 3. Answer is 25. So fruit trees are 25. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our last question from this exercise is question number 4. Solve the following riddle. I am a number. Let assume number is x. Tell my identity. Let assume the number is x. I am a number. Tell my identity. Take me 7 times. As given in riddle, our equation is take me 7 times. 7 multiply. Take me the number. Me is the number is x. Take x 7 times. 7x and add 50 to reach triple century 300. You still need 40. You are 40 shorter. Take me is a number is x 7 times. So 7 multiply x, this is 7x, and add 50 to reach is equal to the number will reach at triple century 300. You still need 40. The triple century is shorter by 40. So 7x plus 50 is equal to 260. This is our equation. Here is plus 50, so we will take minus 50. Subtracting 50 from both sides. 7x plus 50 is equal to 260. We will subtract 50 in both sides. 50 and 50 cancel. 7x. Here is 210. Now multiply by 7, so we will take divide by 7. Dividing both sides by 7. The 7x is equal to 210. Now dividing by 7. 7 and 7 is cancelled. Here is x 3 times. 3 and 0, 30. The number is 30. The number is 30. This is our answer. Let's take beginning from this question. Solve the following riddle. I am a number. Tell my identity. Let's assume the number is x. Take me is a number is x. Take x 7 times. So this is 7x and add 50 plus 50. 7x plus 50 to reach is equal to triple century 300. You still need 40. Means the triple century is shorter than 40. Minus 40. Triple century minus 40. This is 260. Here is plus 5, so we will take minus 5. Here is multiply by 7, so we will divide by 7. The x is 30. X is the number is 30. You can take a screenshot of this. The next chapter will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.